Welcome to learn about M7 DR-102 Cordless Rivet Gun, a versatile and efficient tool. DR-102 has 5 nozzles from 2.4 mm to 6.4 mm, a multifunctional wrench to help you easily maintain the tool. To maintain the tool's optimal performance, we provide a dedicated grease for regular maintenance. Additionally, it includes 3 guide rod assemblies. The design of the belt hook allows it to be mounted on either side of the tool. The hanging ring on top of the rivet gun can be used in conjunction with the spring balancer, making the work much easier. The maintenance process is very straightforward. First, you can clean the tool with blowgun, and then use the grease we provide for maintenance. Just apply the grease to the inner of the jaw sleeve, and then reassemble the tool to complete the maintenance. DR-102 adopts a design with 3 jaw pieces, providing a more stable riveting effect. We demonstrate riveting work after switching to a 4.8 mm nozzle. The LED light on the tool can illuminate the work area. There is a special design on DR-102 to prevent rivets from falling, ensuring your operational safety. When the rivet gun is operating, a green LED light will be displayed, allowing you to keep track of the working status at all times. Rivets will be collected and stored in the collector assembly. DR-102 is equipped with O-rings and a column to prevent rivets from falling out, ensuring the rivets are securely fastened. When you remove these parts, the rivet can easily be released. DR-102 Cordless Rivet Gun is an indispensable, highly efficient assistant in your work, making every riveting task exceptionally precise.